All right, Suburban guys, we have a great solution for you here. This is an aftermarket set of the depot housings that we've taken apart and installed our Bi-LED projector inside. So you can see they look similar to a depot housing, but they have our different shroud on there and our Bi-LED projector in the middle. So if you're looking for a performance upgrade for your Suburban and you want something that actually works and works really well, our Bi-LED projectors are phenomenal for that. Come with a custom-made bracket for the back so everything fits in properly. We also seal them, and then we put another rubber boot on the back to keep the dust out and double seal. So you have a really fantastic solution here that's going to be weatherproof and allow you to see exceptionally well at night. So the crisp cutoff here takes all that extra light that we're able to harness with the LED projector and puts it exactly where you need it, which is on the road. And it won't blind oncoming traffic. We have the cutoff shield there to prevent the glare from going up and scattering about. So this is a performance-based solution that is a serious performance set of headlights for your Suburban. Completely plug and play. So we also wire in the high beam to work with your stock high beam. So here's your stock standard high beam. When that kicks on, the solenoid will open up on the projector high beam as well and allow you full use of that. So you're gonna have dual high beams in this setup, and all of that comes pre-wired, ready to go. So as simple as taking out your old headlights, putting in these new headlights. You can use the stock adjustment screws here. You can see them on the back over here to adjust the level of the headlight up or down if you need to, and then you're dialed in and ready to go. So if you're looking for a true plug and play upgrade that's actually performance based, because the depot projectors we took out of here were just a halogen light that left a lot to be desired, this might be a good solution for you. Pretty affordable, comes in right around 800 bucks for the pair, and you end up with a brand new set of housings ready to install, completely plug and play, custom built with some of the highest quality parts that we have available. So you'll be able to see better than just about anything on the road. If you're out there taking a long road trip this summer in your old school GMT 800, this might be a perfect solution for you. So that sounds like for you, this might be this GMT 400. You guys will correct me in the comments. Whatever one this is, I know my Chevy stuff is maybe a little off. I do have an excursion back there, so I just got done talking about Ford stuff. But as you can see, we offer this in a bunch of different packages, and what we try to do here, guys, is we keep the projectors the same, so performance is always paramount. Regardless of how much money you spend here, we're not going to skimp on the performance. We use our projectors and then we build around that. So if you're looking for something custom, you want a black set, or you want us to put some angel eyes in there or make them look fancy, we can do that as well. But the core here is performance, so you're always going to get the best level of performance that we can provide you, and then the cool aesthetic piece that you want. So form and function come together as one, and you get it all right on our website at HIDprojectors.com. Of course, you can call us 716-662-3479, or just shoot us an email, sales@HIDprojectors.com. We'll be happy to chat with you, to work with you to get you exactly what you need. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.